Adumbrate, mastering the art of subtle hints. Imagine a painter creating a masterpiece with just a few deft strokes, hinting at the final image without revealing all the details. This is precisely what it means to adumbrate. Word type, verb meaning. Adumbrate means to outline or sketch something vaguely. It involves reporting or representing in a brief, abbreviated, or partial manner. The word also carries the sense of foreshadowing or prefiguring a future event. Word history. The term adumbrate comes from the Latin word adumbratus, which is the past participle of adumbrare, meaning to shade. It is composed of ad, meaning to, and umbra, meaning shadow. This etymology reflects the idea of creating a shadowy outline or a faint indication of something. Antonyms: clarify, elucidate, explicate, illuminate. Synonyms: foreshadow, outline, sketch, hint at, suggest, intimate. Examples used in sentences. The author skillfully adumbrated the plot twist in the opening chapter, leaving subtle clues for attentive readers. The politician's speech adumbrated a new economic policy without providing specific details. The early experiments in electricity adumbrated the technological revolution that would follow centuries later. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing adumbrate with elaborate. While adumbrate means to give a sketchy outline, elaborate means to develop or present in detail. Another error is using adumbrate when you mean to obfuscate or obscure. Adumbration involves giving a faint indication, not deliberately concealing information. To master the use of adumbrate, remember its core meaning of providing a shadowy outline or a hint of something to come. This sophisticated word can elevate your writing and speaking, especially in academic or literary contexts. By using adumbrate correctly, you demonstrate a nuanced understanding of language, which is crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS. Practice incorporating this word into your vocabulary, and you'll find it's a powerful tool for expressing subtle ideas and foreshadowing in your communication.